So this is a Profusion bridge. It's a software-driven bridge. It's got four tools on the front side. It's got 2 tools on the back side. And what we're doing here is we're running everything off the software. So the back nail guns will go ahead and nail your top and bottom plate. Your 4 nail guns across the top will also do the top and bottom of the window, but also will do every one of the studs. What's beautiful about this bridge is in less than 2 minutes, we do a 12-foot panel no matter what. What's really, really nice about this is we're the only bridge on the market that can also be ran manually. So you can go through a manual aspect. So why would you do that? Let's say, for instance, if the software doesn't get uploaded correctly, or maybe a window gets moved over, you can go in here and actually run the bridge manually, take care of that one panel, and then move on. The other thing that's really nice is the panels will move in automatically to the sheathing station. They automatically go up against the stop, and then clamps the table together to square up your panel, and then the bridge can go through this automatically. Not only that, but you can also eject the panel automatically. So all of those things are within this station. Again, Profusion system, 12-foot panel, 2 minutes.